Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Toyota 86, stock number 6324. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2021. It has a FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear aftermarket 18-inch wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front aftermarket 18-inch wheel good tyre, right front door card 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,